BMW Group has announced a new investment of more than £600 million in the Mini factories at Oxford and Swindon. The Oxford plant is gearing up to build two new all-electric Mini models from 2026, the Mini Cooper 3-door and the compact crossover Mini Aceman. By 2030, production volume will be exclusively electric, and the BMW Group will have spent over £3 billion on its Swindon, Hams Hall, and Oxford plants since 2000. This development has been supported by the UK government and will help to secure jobs at the Oxford manufacturing plant and at the body pressing facility in Swindon. The Oxford plant celebrated its 110th anniversary this year and has been successfully producing the current Mini Electric since 2019, where it is fully integrated into the production line with the conventional ICE models. The Mini plant Oxford currently produces the Mini 3-door, the 5-door, as well as the Mini Clubman and the Mini Electric. From 2024, the plant will start producing the next generation Mini 3-door and Mini 5-door with combustion engines, as well as the new Mini Convertible, before they are joined by the new all-electric vehicles in 2026, the Mini Cooper 3-door and the Mini Aceman. The factory will reach a production capacity of around 200,000 cars per year in the medium term, with ICE and battery electric vehicles initially being built on the same production line. From 2030, the Oxford plant will produce all-electric Mini models exclusively. In a few weeks, production of the new Mini Countryman will begin at the BMW Group plant in Leipzig, Germany. This larger crossover model in the Mini lineup will be offered with both pure electric drive and combustion engines. Presently, the production of the next generation all-electric Mini Cooper 3-door and Mini Aceman is set to begin in China at a new manufacturing plant built as a joint venture between BMW and Great Wall Motors. Exports will begin in early 2024. Like what you see? Check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.